Hi friends, welcome you to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to do swept blend. So this model looks good, right? So when you want to sweep a constant width, we use sweep as mentioned in my previous videos. But in this model, as you can see, one side the profile is a square profile, the next side the profile is a circular profile. So swept blend comes into hand when you need to connect two irregular profiles with each other. So in this tutorial, we'll see how to do that. So in order to do that, go to a new workspace. So this new workspace, first you need to trace the path for which you need to draw the profile. So in order to trace the path, go to sketch, choose a plane. The path is nothing but a straight line. This length denotes the length of the object. So here I'm going to give it as a 150. So now the profile starts from this point and it ends at this point. So this is the meaning of this path. Once the path has been sketched, go to swept blend. You could see this path highlighting in green color. So once it gets in green color, go to sections. You can see the first section here, which is defaultly selected and this point. So click on sketch, then orient it. So now here we can draw a rectangular profile. So I'm giving it a dimensions as 80. So since both these dimensions are same, this becomes a square profile. Once this sketch is completed and it is made sure that this is a closed structure, click on OK. So now as you can see in this orientation, only one profile has been sketched and the next profile is yet to be sketched. So in order to sketch the profile at this point, go on and click insert. So when you click insert, you could see that the point here gets highlighted. Give it sketch and the plane reorients at this point. So now here go on and draw your circle. Let the circle be 60. So in order to join these two irregular profile, you need to have points where the point starting from this rectangle or maybe here square in this case. So the point starting from this has to end somewhere. You all know that the circular profile has no edges. So in order to make the edges, we specify points. So points can be used using this point. Click on it and give it. This divides the whole circular segment into four sectors. So once these 4 points are mentioned, go on and click OK. As you can see here, the profile has been generated. So once the profile is up to your satisfactory mark, go on and click OK. So you can now see here that this has combined a square profile and a circular profile. So you can again go on and do the same thing by mirroring this and you can get a complete profile of this part. So in order to mirror that, you can just go on and select these two, click mirror, select this plane and click OK. So that you can, as you can see here, this complex geometry has been designed in no time. So this is an easy method and this is a easy method to design these much complex parts. So these are the basics on Swiftblend. Hope you learned it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And if you have any doubts or if you need me to teach something else, comment below. Thank you.